what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool tune by the Zombies. Time of the Season. Alright, so in standard tuning, not that many chords. We got E minor. 1, 2. We got C major for the verses. 1, 2, 3. Then we got a G major for the chorus. 1, 2, 3. And then we got some other stuff, just a few more chords for that walk down. But so it's we got this lick. And then C, E minor. So if you can play that, that's open A, 2A, open D, and then you hit E minor. C major. All downstrokes. Here you can strum. Chorus, G major, E minor, G major, E minor, C major, B over C. So from C, you put your second finger, second fret A, and keep the first finger where it is. To A minor. End on an E major. That's cool. 1, 2, 3. So from C, walk down. 1, 2, 3, lick. Chorus, G major. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. C, C over B, A minor, E major. Last time, come on. Cool, what a fun song. So let's review before we end the lesson. Verses, E minor, C, E minor with that lick. Chorus, G major, E minor, G major, E minor, and then the walk down. C, B over C, A minor, E major. Cool. Same chords for the solo and all that stuff. Cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow with more awesome hits. And I'll change the background. Hope you like it. Thank you.